Hello YouTube, I am owner YouTube channel Mar and Ella. This is a car using for travel vlog. This is a color white. See, I show you my car, white color. I have two holder for phone, one for the take a video and one for GPS phone. I show you the inside my car. My car using for vlog or videos. Here my holder. I want to show you how to take a video. Okay. Take a video like this, video while driving like this, but my phone is put a holder and then driving any location here in Saudi Arabia. This is my dashboard car, so it's manual holder. Here is my page, this original travel. I show you how to uploading or editing my videos. I have editing video KineMaster. This I create. And then all choose video. What is the video for uploading? And then edit. How to edit? Before edit, need to add background music. Add background music. Okay. And then review or the video. Play. And then review. Save as video. Waiting while a minute. But no faster saving. After saving, I want to upload my YouTube channel Mar and Ella. My YouTube channel.